Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add shortcuts to your Apple control center. So if for example you just got a new iOS device and you go to your control center and you can't see shortcuts here, I'm going to be showing you how to add them and also remove them. So firstly, you go to your settings application, then go to the control center option. So once you go there, you're going to see the shortcuts there. Then you add the necessary ones that you are going to need. So this is the way to add them. So now going to my control center, you can see now I have the shortcuts I added there. So if you feel you want to remove one or two of them, then you go back to your settings app also and to the same control center area, then click on the remove option. You see the minus option there, then click on remove and it's going to be excluded from there. So that's just how I can easily do this, guys. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.